Hi all, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name is Ankush. I will show you how to create this kind of bar chart in Tableau. So many people call this is the bikini chart or the diverging bar chart. So today I have the data. I will also listed down the data in my description below so you can download from there. So I have listed down the drink, men and women. So I have listed down the three columns, which is the drink name, men percentage and women percentage. Okay, see how can we create in this Tableau. First you need to drag your data into Tableau here and go to the blank sheet. Once your data is downloaded in Tableau, so you need to see, first you need to bring in the rows. Men should be the column and women should be also a column. So you can see to make the silence. So you can see the bar chart has been created, but I don't see any diverging bar chart on the bikini chart, like the man should go left and the woman should go the right. Okay, so how can we create this? So you need to do one trick. Go to the man or woman, whatever the measure you want to prefer. Just apply the minus front of the sum of the men. So you can see the diverging bar chart has been created. So how can we differentiate this? So you need to go to the measure names and select the colors. So the men represent in the blue, women represent in the orange one. So you can change the color as well as. So I will say women should be the purple and men should be the red. Okay, that's good. Need to clean the view, and I don't want to show the label on this is the left side. I want to show the label on the between the bars. So how can we create this? So first you need to ad hoc calculation average of 0. So this give me the kind of the line, and so drag it into the between of the men and women. So see, select this, select the average of 0, go to the marks card, select text, and select your drink and put it on the text. So you need to clean your column, get rid of the grid lines, zero lines. So you can see the zero line has been removed from the views. I need to say, and these are the percentage, and the man we have applied the minus, the percentage is coming from the minus. So how can we show the positive minus? It should show 62%, 26, 23, okay, like this. See how can we get this? Your man, right, 10 percentage, and I don't want any decimal place, it should be 0. And since this is coming for the percentage, there is a trick in the Tableau. Come and go person, you need to apply this semicolon here. So once, as soon as you apply a semicolon, the minus symbol has been removed from your view. Okay. So women percentage coming fine, and I don't want to show this the axis, so headers. Let's create a view. The dashboard size should be fine. Into and edit alias, so make it a man. Title, I don't want title. Title will be popular drinks. Create, apply the color as well as color this. And it should go to the, so it's apply here. Right from label, I don't want to see this. This is, we have the already in the label. I don't want to see this label. Go to show header. And it should show in the middle of the bar. Go to dashboard. Just I found the blank. It should hide. This is how you can create this diverging bar chart. Also, you can see the bikini chart in the Tableau. It's very easy. This time this gives you the insight of data, how many men or how many women has been drink, what is the most popular drink for them. So you can say the man has consumed more than 62% beer and the women is 32. The wine, if I talk about the wine, the women are most consuming wine for to men. See how you can present your data. So thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.